Welcome all back to my YouTube channel. So if you watched one of my recent videos, I'll link it below. We had these pants, we cut them and made them into sleeves for a vest. And today we're going to make these pants into a cute little bag. So I will link below where I got this pattern and tutorial from. So first we're going to cut out the main panel. You're going to cut 2 of the outer fabric and 2 of the lining fabric. And the measurements is going to be a rectangle square type of thing. 11 and 5/8 by 12.5 inches. So then we're going to cut out the side panel. So again, 2 of the outer fabric, 2 of the lining fabric, and this is the little pattern piece. You can just print it, and all the measurements are on that little paper. We're going to do the same thing to the lining fabric. So you'll have a total of 8 pieces, and now this is where you're going to add any pockets that you want to have on the inside or the outside of the bag. Next, we're going to attach the straps around the outside fabric. These straps are 34 inches long. So we're going to sew on the straps. You're going to sew from the bottom all the way up to about 3 inches from the top of the bag so that the handles don't go where the zipper is at the top of the bag. It'll make more sense once you go to the next steps. So you're just going to sew all the way around like a little box. Next, we're going to put the zipper on the top of the bag. And then we're going to attach the lining pieces and the rest of the bag together to complete the zipper. So just pay attention to the order that I put the layered the pieces, and you just sew all the way across. So then you can just top stitch across the zipper. So now we're going to sew the bottom pieces together of the lining and the outer fabric. The lining, just make sure to leave a hole in the middle so that you can birth your bag at the end. And after that, we're going to attach the side panels to each side of the bag. When you sew all the way across, this is what it'll look like when they're done. So now you can birth your bag, flip it inside out, and just sew that hole together. This is what the bag ends up looking like at the end. It's actually a lot more spacious than I thought it would be. So if you follow this tutorial, just tag me in it so I can see it.